Energy. Forms of energy. Living and non-living things need energy. Living things need energy to live. They get energy from food and the sun. Most machines use energy from electricity. For example, we need to plug this television into mains electricity to make it work. Most means of transport use energy from burning fuel. For example, this car needs to burn petrol to make it move. Tools use energy from people moving them. For example, a person needs to move this knife to make it work. However, some machines get their electricity from batteries to make them work. Different forms of energy: kinetic energy, electrical energy, chemical energy. Kinetic energy. Moving things have a kinetic energy. A bird flying and a knife cutting something both have kinetic energy. Electrical energy. Electricity is electrical energy. We get our electricity from mains, electricity, and batteries. Chemical energy. Any chemical change in matter has chemical energy. Our body obtains chemical energy when we digest this omelet. Light energy. The sun produces light energy. Light bulbs have light energy when they are switched on. Sound energy. Anything that is making a noise has sound energy. When you blow into this trumpet, it has sound energy. Thermal energy. Anything that is hot has thermal energy. A switched on radiator and a fire both have thermal energy. Characteristics of light energy. Light is the form of energy that allows us to see objects. The sun, other stars, and fire are natural sources of light. Light bulbs and screens are man-made sources of light. Light travels very fast and in all directions. Light can travel through transparent materials. For example, clear glass and clean water. Light can travel through opaque materials. For example, wood and stone. Some light can travel through translucent materials. For example, frosted glass. Light bounces back off shiny surfaces. This means we can see the object and its reflection too. Light slows down and changes direction when it moves from air to water. This is refraction. Non-renewable energy sources. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are neutral or natural matter formed under the ground a very long time ago. They are non-renewable sources of energy. This means there is never new coal, petroleum, or natural gas. They are limited and they will run out in the future. Burning them to get energy pollutes air and water. Coal is black and solid. It's extracted through mines. We burn coal in power plants to make electricity. Petroleum is black and liquid. It's extracted through wells. Cars, buses, or heaters can burn petroleum to work. Natural gas is a mixture of gases. It's extracted through wells. In some homes, we burn natural gas to cook or have a shower. We also burn gas in power plants to make electricity. Renewable energy sources. Sun, wind, water, and biomass are renewable sources of energy. This means there's always wind, sunlight, water, and biomass. They're unlimited and they will never run out. They don't pollute the air or water. Solar energy comes from sunlight. Solar panels change energy from the sun into electricity and heat. Wind energy comes from moving air. Wind turbines change energy from the wind into electricity. Hydroelectric energy comes from moving water. Dams change energy from falling water into electricity. Bioenergy comes from burning organic matter from plants called biomass. Stoves change energy from burning biomass into electricity and heat. Responsible use of energy and energy saving. Turn off the television and the computer when not in use. Close the fridge door. Turn off the lights in an empty room. Always fill the washing machine and the dishwasher. Close the doors and windows. Turn the heating down and wear a jumper. Take shorter showers. Turn off water when you do the washing up. Don't leave the water on when you wash your hands. Turn off the water when you brush your teeth. Don't play with water. What have we learned? There are different forms of energy: kinetic, chemical, electrical, thermal, light, and sound. Light energy. Characteristics: dispersion, reflection, refraction. Materials can be transparent, translucent, or opaque. Sound energy. Comes from vibrations, causes noise pollution, makes waves. Sources of energy can be renewable, such as sun, water, wind, and biomass, or non-renewable, such as petroleum, natural gas, and coal.